Now the continued lecture of chemical kinetics. In this lecture we have to discuss some problems of IIT JM 2005. The problem is the rate constant K for a second order reaction. Reactant is given here P plus Q and it is converted into product is expressed as log 10 K is equal to 20 minus 3000 by T, where the concentration is in mole per liter and T is in absolute temperature and time is in minutes. The initial concentration of both the reactants are 0.05 m. Calculate the activation energy and the half-life of the reaction. We have to calculate half-life and activation energy in this reaction. Now, first of all, this problem is related with second order reaction. What is second order reaction? For second order reaction, what we will have to write? Second order reaction. Second order reaction is P plus Q. It will be converted into product. There are two conditions when initial time. At initial time T बराबर 0, product will 0. Here concentration of reactant is given. Reactants are 0.05, 0.05, 0.05. After time T, product will act, then concentration of reactant will decrease. Then it is written as 0.05 minus x, 0.05 minus x. Okay. Which data is also given here? What the value of log 10K is given. Log base 10K is given 20 minus 3000 by T, also given. That is value will be also given and T is also given. Temperature is also given T. Degree Celsius we have to convert in Kelvin. T 270 plus 2070 is equal to 300 Kelvin. We have to put this value in this problem, 300 Kelvin, and also K is given 10 to the power 10 log 10. These are given in this problem. We have log base 10K according to Arrhenius equation is equal to log SA minus EA by 2.303 RT. Two equation in hand. First one is first equation and second equation. From first and second equation, now we have to find out activation energy. From first and second equation, activation energy is equal to T2. I will remove out and put the value of R. It is 2.22. It will multiply here and then it will multiply. Then that means 3000 into 2.303 into 2 Kelvin per mole. Kelvin per mole. It will equal to 13.818 kilocalorie per mole, kilocalorie per mole. And half-life period, we have to find out half-life period for the reaction. Minus dP by dt is also equal to, this is concentration and this one is time, corresponding time interval, K P and Q. Dx by dt is equal to K, concentration of reactant power 0.05 minus x square, and the integration of this term, we will get same term on set side, that means dx by here d10, that means integration of x is equal to 0 limit, lower limit to upper limit, 0.0, upper limit is concentration power is 0.025, lower limit is 0 and upper limit is 0.025. Here same term on set side, that means dx by this term is d10, it will equal to 0.05 minus x square is equal to K, and half-life limit is 0 to T half dt, K dt, T half K dt. It will equal to, after solving of this term, we will get 1 by 0.05 minus x 0 to 0.025 is equal to T half, half-life period, and x half-life means x is equal to a by 2, okay. And you have to put x is equal to a by 2 in second order reaction, then we'll get half-life of second order reaction. Now half-life will come when will be put x is equal to a by 2 and t will equal to t half. Okay. One by 0.05 into 1 by k is equal to t half. X is equal to a by 2, and it will cancel out, it will cancel out, then we get in hand 1 by 0.05 into 1 by k t half. T half, half-life period is equal to 1 by 0.05 into value of k is 10 to the power 10 second in second. It will be equal to 1 by 0.05 into 10 to the power 10 into 60 minute. Solve this part, and we obtained 0.33 into 10 to the power minus 7 minute.